Hey, this is Dustin Sanchez TV, DustinSanchezTV.com. Let's talk about criminal lawyer blog topics. Some of you do not realize that this is actually the third video in the lawyer blog topic series. In the first video, I showed you how to use a Google Chrome plug-in to find lawyer blog topics. That's free and easy, and I will put that video in the description or it will magically show up on the screen here. In the second video, I showed you how to use some search engine optimization expert software called Ahrefs to find personal injury lawyer blog topics. And right now, I am probably going to show you the easiest way to find lawyer blog topics, and we're going to do it with criminal law. Then in the next video, I'll show it the same way with family law. So let's go to my computer. I will see you shortly. Okay, how many of you know where Conroe, Texas is? It's right here if you look at the map, just north of Houston, but it is a small town, right? 65,871 people is the population of Conroe, small town just north of Houston. As I was doing some research one day, I found this attorney who ranks for Conroe criminal lawyer. Now, the truth is, if you are a criminal lawyer and you rank for any small town, you really shouldn't have a lot of search traffic. If you rank for Houston criminal attorney, you should have at least 300 search traffic per month, search volume. It's a lot of search volume for that, and if you're on page one for a big search volume search term, you're going to get a lot of traffic. However, this guy is on page one for Conroe criminal lawyer. There's only 65,000 people in Conroe. How many people there you think are in Conroe even need a criminal lawyer at any given time? Just not a lot of search volume. So one day I was checking out this GGE Law Firm, and you can see what he's trying to rank for just by looking at his meta titles. Montgomery County criminal lawyer is what he's trying to rank for. And really, how much search volume could there be for that? So let's go analyze GGGLawFirm.com. You throw him into Google, okay? He's got 58 referring, not Google, you throw him into Ahrefs, which I've showed you this software in a previous video. I don't need to explain it again. You throw him into Ahrefs, you can see he's got 58 referring domains, which just isn't very many. But let's look at his organic search traffic. Great, googly moogly. Okay, I don't know what's happened here. He took a dive, but he took a dive down to 800 searches per month. There are lawyers who would kill for 800 searches per month. If we really analyzed it, we could see what was going on here, but at some point, he's getting 1,700 organic traffic visits per month, which is a lot for a criminal lawyer in any city, really. But for a criminal lawyer in a small city like Conroe, Montgomery County, 800 is tremendous. So right away, I know this guy is using blogging to generate traffic. I know he's not doing it with Montgomery County criminal attorney. He's using blogging. So let's go see how he's doing it. Let's look at his blog topics. And if you look here, what this guy is basically doing, this says possession of drug paraphernalia, Texas. This says ggglawfirm.com/possession of drug paraphernalia, Texas. And if you went to this blog article, what you would see is he has basically just copied the statute. He's copied the code and threw it on his blog. What is exactly drug paraphernalia? So what this guy is doing is he's taken every law, every crime in Texas, and he's just writing about it on his blog. And I got to thinking you could really do that in any state, and you're going to generate long trail traffic. Now, 350 people every month log on to Google and search for possession of drug paraphernalia, Texas. Who do you think those people are? By the way, this guy ranks #1 for that term. These are people who either possess drugs and haven't been caught yet, or they possess drugs and have been caught yet. In any event, what we call these people in the criminal law realm are potential clients. $signs, baby. Okay, he's not ranking for Houston criminal attorney or even Montgomery County criminal attorney. He's ranking for possession of drug paraphernalia. It's top of the funnel again. We're getting these people at the top of the funnel, of the marketing funnel. We bring them in with long tail search. They've been to our website. Once they were at their website, an expert like me has installed a remarketing pixel on that site. They get and they read our drug paraphernalia blog article. They leave the site. Okay, two things could happen. One, they leave the site. We've already pixeled them. Now we're retargeting them with ads. Everywhere they go on the internet, they see our face. Hey, you still need a criminal attorney? Hey, you just read my blog article. You need a criminal attorney? Or this other thing could happen. Number two, they could get right here, read about possession of drug paraphernalia, and then just call us right then and there. Okay? Long tail search. We didn't have to rank for something like Houston criminal attorney. So, if you are a criminal lawyer, or really any kind of lawyer, you can go to Amazon. Let's talk criminal. You can go to Amazon, you can search O'Connor's Texas Crime and Consequences. And what that is, it's a book that lists every state crime in Texas, all the elements of that crime, and the consequences of that crime. Okay, I can't make this big enough for you to see it, but it does it in chart form. You could basically hire an intern to transpose every one of these into a non-plagiarized, okay, throw your own flavor to it, but you could transform every one of these into a blog article and put it on your criminal law website. You can do that in any state, okay? You go to Wisconsin, they got something like O'Connor's Texas Crime and Consequences, except it's probably called Wisconsin Crime and Consequences. You can do that in every state, and you can really do it in any legal niche. I'm sure there's one for divorce law. There's one for personal injury, car accident, bankruptcy, business, what have you, okay? Business organizations. You're a lawyer. So go put the laws on your lawyer website, okay? And you will generate top of the funnel, long tail traffic from people who have either run afoul of those laws or have some way involved themselves in the United States legal system, and they're starting their research, okay? They're not searching for, I need a lawyer right now. That's bottom of the funnel. They're searching for, what the heck does the law say? They end up on your website, and you just keep pulling them down to the funnel until they turn into a $sign for you. That's a real easy way to get lawyer blogs. I will see you in the last video talking about family law.